Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the 11th edition of the Raisina Dialogue in New Delhi. Finland's President Dr. Alexander Stubb joined as chief guest and delivered the keynote address. This year's theme is Samskara: assertion, accommodation, advancement. India and Finland exchanged agreements in environmental cooperation, migration and mobility partnership, and statistics in New Delhi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and President Alexander Stubb also discussed strengthening bilateral cooperation and shared perspectives on regional and global issues of mutual interest. Odisha BJP President Manmohan Samal, sitting MP Sujit Kumar and former Union Minister Dilip Rai filed nomination papers for the upcoming Rajya Sabha elections. Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi, Deputy CM Kanakvardhan Singh Dev and senior leaders were present during the filing nomination papers. Odisha witnessed rare political unity as BJD leader Santrupta Mishra and urologist Dr. Datteshwar Hota filed Rajya Sabha nominations. The filing was attended by BJD President Naveen Patnaik, OPCC Chief Bhakt Charan Das, CPIM Secretary Suresh Panigrahi and other senior leaders. Prime Minister Narendra Modi paid tributes to former Odisha Chief Minister Biju Patnaik on his 110th birth anniversary. Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi, Speaker Surama Padhi and Deputy Chief Ministers also offered floral tributes at Patnaik's statue on the assembly premises. Bihar Chief Minister and JDU President Nitish Kumar filed nomination papers for the Rajya Sabha elections at the Bihar Legislative Assembly. Union Home Minister Amit Shah, BJP President Nitin Navin and Deputy CMs Samrat Chaudhary and Vinay Sinha were present on the occasion. Jharsuguda in Odisha recorded 39.6 degrees Celsius, making it the hottest town in India for the second consecutive day. Akola in Maharashtra followed at 39.3 degrees Celsius, while Wardha, Amravati, Nandarbar, Brahmapuri, Kurnool, Solapur, Nandayal and Jangamaheshwarpuram also reported high temperatures. Indian stock markets rebounded strongly as global tensions eased. The Nifty closed to 85.40 points higher at 24,765.90, while the Sensex surged 899.71 points to end at 80,015.90, marking their best session in over a month. Conflict in West Asia escalated as Iran launched its 19th wave of Operation True Promise 4 amid strikes from US-Israeli forces. Missiles were fired from Iran, triggering sirens across Israel, including Jerusalem and the West Bank. Iran threatened Israel's Dimona nuclear site. The ICC Men's T20 World Cup semi-final between India and England is underway at the Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai. The winner of today's match will face New Zealand in the final on Sunday at Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad.